Hey guys, it's been a while, so this is my first classic set in a long time. I always start by giving the lashes a thorough cleanse and also cleaning the entire eye area to remove any oils or skincare products. This actually helps the tape for the mask and the gel pads adhere better to the skin. I always secure the bottom lashes with 2 pieces of tape under each eye, and then I also apply another tape horizontally over each eyelid to spread out the lash line for easier isolation. I started off in the inner corners of the eyes, so I stretched the tape outwards away from the inner corners. Then I reapply the tape to stretch the eyelid horizontally, either left or right, depending on which section of the eye I'm working on. I love this taping technique because it really helps spread out the lashes. Classic lashes can look messy if you don't place them neatly side by side, so you want to make sure that each lash is applied in the correct direction. Honestly, I'm so happy with how this classic set turned out. I wanted to create a lash lift looking effect, so I used flat lashes to make the lashes look darker and thicker. These look so good on her and so natural. I love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more lash videos.